morning and happy Wednesday, D1. Let's go ahead and let's talk about what your jobs are for today. So first things first, we are on our homepage. It is the week of November 2nd through the 6th, and it is Wednesday. So let's go ahead, let's look at our jobs. First things first, we have our irregular verbs. Remember, we're talking about how verbs change from present tense to past tense. And sometimes we get a little funny, right? A funny verb, right? So if we have I see her, that is present. But if we're making it past tense, something that happened in the past, we wouldn't say I seed her yesterday. No, I saw her yesterday. And so that's the irregular pattern. And so that is what we're practicing this week. And so you're going to see that there are more examples that you are going to be practicing today. And so you're going to be writing each verb in its past tense form. And so really think about how these words change. How would you use them in the past tense? You wouldn't say builded, you wouldn't say drawed, loseded, right? Or hearded, righted, right? And so think about how they change when we go past tense, and make sure you really watch this video. Like I said, this video is actually kind of funny. I thought it was pretty funny. Watch it because it gives you some pointers about changing irregular verbs, and it also gives you some big hints with some of the verbs that are on that page. So keep that in mind. Then it is Words of Wisdom Wednesday, so we're clicking the little black paper and pencil. And so your quote for today's journal prompt is, "Those who bring sunshine into the lives of others cannot keep it from themselves." So think about what that means, what it means to you. You can maybe even talk with an adult if you're a little bit confused. What do you think this means? Are they talking about literally bringing the sun and bringing you sunshine? What else can we be talking about instead of literal sunshine, right? So keep that in mind when you are writing this. Remember, you need 5 to 6 sentences telling me what it means to you and how it applies to your life. Then we have our Zoom, and on our Zoom we're going to be talking about multiplying with 3 today. And after our Zoom, you are going to begin your IB Explorer research. You're going to go ahead, you are going to click this orange book right here. Oops, oh my goodness. I got ahead of myself. I was talking about ELA. I'm sorry. You're going to press the IB logo. I got really excited. I apologize for that. You're going to click the IB logo for your Explorer research, and you are going to go ahead and click here. You are going to see that there is a video. Watch this video. This video will explain your directions for the job. Please, please, please watch the video. I cannot reiterate it that enough because it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do for your job today. You are going to start the research for your Explorer, the Explorer you picked on Monday, and so keep that in mind. If you need to go back to remember what Explorer you picked, please do. But also, please, please, please watch this video because it gives you important instructions about how you are to complete this job. This is only day 2 of our research. We are going to continue to do more research, so we're going to come back to these slideshows. So just keep that in mind. Then after your Explorer research, you're just doing a little bit of research today. You're going to take a break. After your break, you are going to do your prefix and suffix practice. Remember, this is a daily job. Oh my goodness, the lights went out on me. It is a daily job, daily prefix and suffix. Remember, this is to help you become a stronger reader. After your prefix and suffix practice, you now can click on the orange book, and this is going to be for our reading activity for today. We are practicing text features. Do not forget, we're practicing text features this week with nonfiction, meaning not fake, right? Remember, the F in fiction stands for fake, so non means not fake stories, and you're going to be reading about bottlenose dolphins. And so remember here on the side, the red box is to help you highlight pictures. And then you also have a green box to help you highlight a picture, maybe a caption, something, some type of text feature, right? And then you're going to come to the second slide and answer the questions. You can see for the red, you are going to highlight using the red box that they gave you. And for number 4, with the green, you are going to use the green box that they have provided you to highlight. The other crayons, orange, yellow, blue, purple, you are going to have to go back and highlight the text. So keep that in mind when you are answering these questions. And then you have lunch. After lunch, you're going to be practicing multiplying with 3. Again, we're going to talk about that today. And just like we do with all of our other multiples, you're counting by 3s essentially, and so that is exactly what you're doing. And so you're going to be going ahead, you are going to be highlighting all the multiples of 3. That means you're going to be clicking and dragging, and you're just going to be really counting by 3s for this job. So you're going to go, okay, 3, 1, 2, 3, oh, 6 is a multiple of 3. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 9 is a multiple of 3. And you're just going to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 12. And you're just going to continue to follow this pattern all the way through until you have completed the entire chart. So again, you're highlighting all the multiples of 3, counting by your 3s, going through and highlighting them all. Then you're going to, over on the side here, you're going to tell me 3 things that you noticed, some patterns that you saw, something that stood out to you about the multiples of 3. Then you're going to go ahead, you are going to answer these questions. Slide number 2 is an example. We've talked, but we've used this setup before with the sunset. You are going to go ahead, you are going to go through and solve for each of these problems multiplying by 3. So keep that in mind. And then finally, you just have iReady reading, or iReady math. Oh my goodness, Miss Walsh. iReady math. You are just going to click the iReady button, 30 minutes of iReady math, and that's going to be it. And then you're going to clean up for the day. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, D1.